Hey guys, Dolly here. Welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. Today I have a flip through and this is for Siobhan, and she wanted the larger journal, the 8.5 by 11, and it's a softer cover. And I won't waste time babbling because that's always my thing. So it's just a simple sari silk closure here. And the image in the front is one of the images from my Witch's Brew Kit, which I'll link below. Just a ruffle here, and then I have two spaces for tags. There's a tag here, and there's a tag here. And she chose the fabric. She wanted sort of like this galaxy type fabric, and I did sewing detail here, and then another vine down this way. And so we will jump right in here. So she wanted a witchy, like a general witchy type theme. And then because she chose the cosmic type fabric, there's like a little tiny bit of like cosmic stuff in here, but mostly all witchy type stuff. So here we have a pocket, and I have this journaling card. I have a little Franken tag, another image from my Witch's Brew Kit. And then I did a thing. I did this sort of tuck spot ghost tag hybrid thing. So basically it's a Tim Holtz wallpaper, and then I had gotten the transparency images that he had this year for Halloween, and so I thought it was cool, two ghostly figures, and so she can write under here and then you would be able to see that writing through. So I thought that was really cool. And so it's on both sides, but you can also tuck stuff in there. So if she wanted to put this somewhere as a little like extra tuck spot, she could. So it's like a double duty type thing. So we will put that right back in here. And lots of sort of botanical, witchy, black florals, you know, all that stuff that we all know and love. Another image from my Witch's Brew Kit. This is just some witchy type paper that I had in my stash. I think that's 7 Gypsies. Not entirely sure. Then we have this wood grain paper bag, and I put some extra die cut stickers in here. So in case she wanted to decorate her book a little bit more, she could. So these go in here. Did some stamping and some light spraying. There's tabs all up and down the pages. Here we have a lace pocket, and I have 2 big journaling cards from the Green Witch paper pad, and these I had cut them out for the smaller book that she ordered, but they didn't fit, so I didn't want them to go to waste. They were too perfect for this witchy theme. So here we have a flip. I did some edge punching on some of the flips, a lot of witchy stamps in here, a lot of cool witchy colored sprays like greens and purples, more stamping. And I want to say that I saved the stories. If not, I'll go back and do it. But someone was asking me like just what kind of stamps I use and what kind of witchy type stamps I recommend. So I did a little flip, or rather I did a little walkthrough of my stamps, and so I'll save that so that you guys can watch it. Another image. This was in some Happy Mail. I think Abby gave me this. But I just added a spooky die cut up there to add to that sort of spooky witchy vibe. And I think this is a Tim Holtz stamp. And this is a really big flip. And some more. This is what I meant by like that little sprinkle of cosmic stuff, is like this type of paper, which is still very witchy, but you know, it's got like that astrology type vibe. A little file folder, and then I have one of those ghostly pictures in here, and she could actually use it somewhere else, but I just wanted to show you how see-through it is. You can kind of see the stamp coming through there. So I think it's really cool to add these and like write under them and then put them over the writing. I thought that would look really cool. I included one of my spell paper pads, so lots of spell paper in here for her to use, and then a big old journaling card. And then we'll put this one this way. And this one is a flip. And then here I made another one of those like ghost tag type contraptions, and a big witchy journaling card with some sewing, and then I found these itty bitty file folders, and then on the inside they kind of have some motifs going on there, so I thought those were cool. One of my favorite stamps ever is this little witch. Her detail is incredible. How they got so much detail into a stamp is beyond me. Flip. Some more ephemera. I have a picture and I just sewed a little bit of sari silk on there. Another file folder, and I put another spooky photo. A bit of that ephemera from the Green Witch paper pad. It says come gather for a spell, and these are sprayed and coffee dyed. And another image from my Witch's Brew Kit. And then this is the middle of the signature, and I just had a little moon face charm there that kind of hangs out, and you can remove it if it bothers you. Just cut it off. Another super detailed witch stamp, which I absolutely love. Everything from her stockings to the inside of her dress to the little motif on her scarf. She's perfect. Sewing, spraying, stamping, and here we have a pocket, and I have a nice big tag and another witchy type giant tag. And then this is another little spell paper pad, except I made it into a little booklet. And we got some spell papers in there. So these go back in here. Love this paper so much. Flip. And here we have another one of my images, and this is like a chipboard piece, but it's sticky back just so you could stick it down, and then a Franken tag. And this one is a flip too. Love this also. And then here we have some more of that witchy paper, a giant journaling card, a piece of ephemera from the Green Witch paper stack, and then another one of those cool little file folders that I found in my stash. It's crazy what you kind of hoard because you're like, it's too cool, and then you forget about it. Years and years, years and years literally go by, and you're like, oh yeah, I can totally use it now. I'm mentally prepared 4 years later to use this. And then I wonder why I have the hugest stash ever. It's because I don't ever use anything. So yeah, that is it for the flip through. Siobhan, I really hope that you like it, love it, etc. All the things. I can't say I don't love how this came out because I love how they all come out. I just really enjoy the themes that you guys bring me, and I enjoy kind of finding all the little things to go in it, kind of like a puzzle, you know. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You're truly the most amazing, awesomest people ever. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.